Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, coming to you from Borla Commerce Park.
Thanks for coming along for the ride here on Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. We got a really sweet looking Ford F-150 in the house here. Wheels given to us from DV8 Designs, and this thing is lowered. Usually when you lower a vehicle though, you're giving up performance, but that's not the case thanks to VA Specialties. On this F-150, you've really made it a screamer. Tell me what you do to solve the performance problem when you're slamming a truck like that.
So we've come up with our 3.5 performance kit, and what that is it lowers the front of the truck 3 inches, lowers the rear 5 inches, and it comes with our coilover kit, which features Viking double adjustable front coilovers and smooth body rear shocks. These are our coilover mounts, and this is our bolt-on relocation kit. And what this does is it moves the top of the shock mount forward and gives it a better working angle during operation.
And we should be clear, you're doing this for folks that want the performance. The looks are kind of the secondary thing there.
Correct.
Very good. So it's working from the front now. And what else do we have that comes with this kit?
All right, so the 3.5 kit comes with the flip kit. It'll come with U-bolts, the hardware for the U-bolts, and this is our traction bar kit here.
Tell me a little more about the traction bars.
So our traction bars are completely bolt-on. You don't have to remove the leaf springs for these to get installed. And the primary reason for the traction bars is to remove any kind of wheel hop or axle rat.
These control arms are great looking pieces too. Tell me what you've done there.
So we built these things to take out any negative camber on the front end. A lot of kits out there will have you cut or drill, modify the lower control arm out, and our kits are built and designed to not have to cut into a new vehicle, and you can put these on and get your correct alignment.
How much experience do you have in this, and tell me about your R&D process?
So everything is built in-house. This started as a hobby maybe about 12 years ago. And we do everything in-house, powder coating, all the machine work, the cutting of the material, and the boxing, everything, start to finish.
So everything you need. Is this something you can do in the driveway or in the garage at home?
Yep. So all of our guys are usually the DIY guys, and this stuff can be put on at home with simple tools.
Excellent. How important was it for you to make all this plug and play and make it something that you can do in the driveway, in the garage?
It was really important. Our intention for this kit was, for just the everyday guy to be able to get it and put it on. And with simple tools, you can get it installed, and it's a really easy process. It takes us maybe about 5 hours to put on with the lift, but without a lift, you can probably put it on about 6 to 7 hours.
It's a one-day project or a weekend project. Who are your chief customers out there? Who's buying your stuff?
So our primary customers are the guys that are buying the new F-150s from 15 and now to the 21s that are going either supercharged or twin turbo.
So you're finding wants a kit like this?
Most of the customers are performance oriented. Want to be out there at the drag strip, want to be able to put the power down to the ground.
That's an important question. Where's all of your stuff made?
All these parts are built in-house in Spring, Texas, USA.
And the guy who handles all these parts before they leave the house, Celestino, tell me how important quality is before you send all these out to the buyer.
Okay, so first, once they're welded, we go ahead and check out all the welds, make sure there's no pinholes, there's no cracks, and then we go off to sandblasting them and then powder coating them as well.
Now, how important is quality when it comes to the parts you're turning out?
We want to make sure that we make a good product and it's safe.
Well, it's all about quality, performance, and safety. Check them out at VASFab.com. We will return with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings right after this.